Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to mark emails as important in Gmail. So looking at my email account, I've got a few different options here. So I can start emails and the little arrow you can see here. This is where you mark an email as important. You might find that sometimes Gmail marks it as important for you because if you open it or respond to it, but you can teach Gmail that it's not important if you don't want it to be important. Just by clicking on it, you can see it turns back to white. So yellow is important, white isn't important. So this can be really useful when you are organizing your Gmail inbox. So in the settings tab, when I scroll down, you have a section that says inbox type. So if you have like a really busy Gmail inbox and you get a lot of emails, but you only have a few that you want to respond to, you can click on important first and you can see all the ones that are tagged important with this yellow arrow at the top now. So you can do this for your own account. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.